Has it ever happened to you that you were wanting to buy something basic and sufficient to satisfy a need and you end up making a significantly larger purchase? One such incident I remember clearly is when we were out shopping for a car last year in March, which could occupy all members of our extended family. So we started looking at a Maruti XL6 as a 6-7 seater, but then ended up buying a top of the line XUV 700, which was more than 2x the price. Today, Titan, yes, I do name my vehicles, which have proven their worth, has more than 20,000 kilometers compared to 17,000 kilometers in our i20 bought in July 2023. So even though it now feels worth it, a year ago when we bought Titan, it did feel like overkill for what we had planned to do with it. On the same lines, 2 weeks ago, Arjun walked into Croma to buy a USB cable. He came out with an 8,000 rupees smartwatch. He did not go in planning to buy the smartwatch. He had no intention. And yet, by the end, he reached the billing counter. He was completely convinced it was a great deal. A great deal on something he had not wanted 20 minutes earlier. Here's the uncomfortable truth about that moment. It was not a lapse of willpower. It was not a weak moment. His brain was being systematically manipulated by people who are paid to make sure that happens. And the same thing is happening to you every single day on every app and in every store you visit. Today, we're going to name exactly how it works. 5 specific techniques, and I'm going to give you a simple check that stops it. Quick intro if you're new here. I'm Suraj from Invest with Vessify. Personal finance made honest and simple for Indians under 45. Subscribe if that sounds like you. Quick clarification before we get into this. This is not a video telling you not to spend money. I like nice things. I'm not here to tell you to give up your coffee or skip the concert. Like I said before, I believe in splurging on things we need and want, but in a calculated way. Even when we bought Titan, we didn't need to take any loan and paid fully in cash, which did make the deal a lot sweeter for us. What this video is about is the difference between spending you choose and spending that is chosen for you. Those are very different things. And the second kind is doing a lot of quiet damage to your finances right now. By the way, the opportunity cost of what I'm about to show you is genuinely shocking. We are going to run the actual math later, and the number is one of those that makes you pause for a moment. By the end of this video, you will understand 5 psychological techniques that are actively working against your spending decisions right now. You will have a name for what is happening to you. And I will give you 3 questions to check that it takes 60 seconds and stops almost all of it. It prevents you from being manipulated. Let me start with the most elegant and the most invisible of the 5, the decoy effect. And once I explain this, you will never look at a pricing table the same way again. Here's how it works. You go to a streaming service. They show you 3 plans. Basic, $299. Standard, $599. Premium at $999. Which one do you pick? Most people pick standard at $599 because the $299 feels too limited and $999 feels wasteful. Standard is the smart, reasonable choice in the middle. But here's what is actually happening. The $999 option is not really for sale. It exists to make the $599 look reasonable. That is its only job. It is called a decoy. The pricing team did not design 3 plans. They designed 2 plans and added a third to steer you towards the more expensive one. This is not speculation. It is a documented psychological principle established by behavioral economist Dan Ailey at MIT, and it is everywhere. Popcorn at a multiplex, small at 200, medium at 250, large at 380. You came in thinking small. You leave with the medium because 250 seems like the obvious sweet deal, but you did not need a medium size. You just bought it because large was there. The same mechanic runs in phone storage upgrades, insurance policy tiers, hotel room categories, and gym membership plans. Every time you see 3 or more options, ask yourself, which option is the decoy? When we launch our pricing plans for Invest Vessify's RA services later this quarter, you will see we do not have a decoy. Now, here's the real cost of the streaming example. One streaming upgrade due to the decoy effect, ₹300 a month extra, invested over 20 years in a Nifty 50 index fund at 12% returns, approximately 3 lakh rupees from one pricing trick, one product category. We are only on technique 1 of 5, and this is the tamest of the 5. What is coming in the next few minutes, especially technique 3, is the one that will make you rethink every sale you've ever bought. Stay with me. Technique 2 is called anchoring, and once you understand this, you will understand exactly why sales exist. An anchor is the first price you see, and your brain, without any instruction from you, uses it as a reference point for everything that follows. Here's how this plays out for Aman. He's shopping on Myntra. He sees a 3500 jacket. His brain registered expensive. He scrolls down. He finds an 1800 rupee jacket. His brain says, reasonable, he buys it. But what if the page had started with a 799 jacket? Then the 1800 would feel expensive. The rupees 3500 jacket did not sell anything. It just anchored Aman's perception of what 1800 means. That is anchoring. This is exactly why was 8000 now 3999 works so effectively. It's not about the 3999 price. It's about the 8000 you first saw. Your brain processes that gap, not the absolute value. The 8000 was the anchor. The 3999 was the trap. And this is exactly how Arjun ended up at Croma with a smartwatch he did not plan to buy. The 16,000 original price was the anchor. The 50% off, now 8,000, felt like a bargain. His brain was comparing to 16,000, not zero, which is what he had budgeted. What would have happened if Arjun had stopped and asked, what would a watch that actually fits my needs cost? Maybe 4,000, maybe nothing, because he did not need a new watch. So let's price the 4,000 difference properly. That rupees 4,000 bargain he thought he saved at 12% returns in 30 years. That single anchoring moment cost him approximately 1.2 lakhs. Technique 3, the one I mentioned, would make you rethink every sale you've ever bought into. Artificial scarcity. And it is pure manipulation. You have seen this everywhere. Only 3 left. Offer ends in 14 minutes and 52 seconds. 24 people are looking at this product right now. Sale ends at midnight. In many cases, this is manufactured urgency, and it works because it exploits one of the strongest psychological forces we have: loss aversion. We've spoken about this before in our behavioral psychology. When you see only 3 left in stock, your brain does not ask, do I actually want this? It shifts to, I might lose my chance to get this. And that shift from desire to fear of missing out turns a maybe into a yes almost every single time. Amazon, Flipkart, Make My Trip, Book My Show, all of them use this. The only 3 seats remaining on a flight with 200 empty seats. The ends tonight sale that restarts tomorrow morning. The fix for this one is one question. If this deal was not available and I had to buy it at full price, would I still buy it? If the answer is no, you do not actually want the product. You want the deal. And that is the entire trap. You're not buying a watch. You're buying the feeling of having got a bargain. Technique 4. And this one is costing people quietly every single month. The free trial. Try for 30 days, cancel anytime. How many of those are you still paying for? 2 things make this so effective. First, friction. Canceling requires an active decision and 3 steps through an app. Signing up required 1 tap. That asymmetry is designed. Second is the endowment effect. Once you have used something for 30 days, your brain starts to treat it as something you own. Taking it away feels like a loss, not just at the end of the trial. Let me put a number on this. 4 forgotten subscriptions at $299 each. That is $1196 a month. Rupees 14,352 a year. What does that look like invested over 15 years? Before we get to that answer, do you know there have been a lot of firms in the US who've been sued for the practice of making sure that the cancellations are behind multiple steps and multiple paywalls? The New York Times is classically one of the very famous examples. 4 forgotten subscriptions is rupees 6 lakh over 15 years. That is the real cost of cancel anytime. Action point from this section. Open your bank statement right now before this video ends and count how many monthly recurring charges you see that you cannot immediately name. That number will probably surprise you. Technique 5, social proof. And this one is the most expensive at restaurants and when you're shopping with other people. This is our most popular dish. Bestseller, 4.7 stars, 2,381 ratings, recommended by 94% of recent buyers. Social proof triggers what psychologists call herding instinct. Your brain does not evaluate a 650 main course on its own. It evaluates it in the context of what others are choosing. If thousands of people choose it, it must be the right call. And when you're at the table with 4 friends, there is another layer. Nobody wants to order the cheapest thing. So the social dynamic of the table quietly upgrades everyone's order. This is real. You've done it. I've done it. Rupees 2,000 a month of social overspending, rupees 38 lakhs over 25 years, from nothing more than wanting to seem like everyone else at the table. So now let's look at the full opportunity cost. Let's add it all up. What does psychological overspending actually cost across a lifetime? Take Arjun, 26, NCR, software engineer. If these 5 patterns each cost him 1,000 a month in unplanned or upgraded spending, that is 5,000 a month, rupees 60,000 a year. Money he spent, but he did not choose to spend. Money that was chosen for him by someone else. Based on the annual returns of 12%, which is the long-term historical Nifty 50 average, that would result in 94 lakhs and 89,000. rounded to approximately 95 lakhs. Rupees 5,000 per month over 25 years at 12% should produce a significantly larger corpus than the 15 lakhs invested. Rupees 95 lakhs is approximately 6.3 times the invested amount from being aware of 5 pricing tricks. Remember Arjun walking out of Croma with a smartwatch he did not plan to buy? Here's the good news. I'm about to give you the exact 3-question check that would have stopped that purchase in its tracks. It takes less than 60 seconds to run and it works on every purchase over 2,000 rupees. So if you take one thing away from this video, your spending is not just about willpower. These techniques are designed by some of the smartest people in the world to work on all of us. The defense is knowing what is happening. The 5 techniques to remember. 1. The decoy effect. That middle option is not a bargain. It is the target. 2. Anchoring. The was 16,000 price is not the real price. It is the reference trap. 3. Artificial scarcity. The countdown timer is often manufactured. 4. The subscription trap. Cancel anytime is designed to mean never cancel. And 5. Social proof. The most popular option was made popular often by design. And the 3-question check before any purchase over 2,000. Question 1. Did I plan to buy this before I walked in or open this app? Question 2. If there was no offer or discount, would I still buy this at this price? And question 3. What is the real reason I'm buying this right now? If you cannot answer all 3 questions clearly and confidently, wait 24 hours. The psychological momentum almost every single time will get rid of it. The urgency is manufactured. It almost never lasts. This Sunday, I'm doing a full deep dive on health insurance. Most salaried Indians have corporate cover and think they're protected. I'm going to show you why that cover probably has at least 3 gaps you do not know about, and how a single product costing under 700 a month can add rupees 20 lakhs of coverage for your entire family on top of what your employer provides. That is this Sunday at 11 a.m. Subscribe now so you do not miss it. See you then. SEBI disclaimer. Status Elan Enterprises Private Limited, Invest with Vessify, is registered with SEBI as a research analyst under SEBI Research Analyst Regulations 2014. Registration number INH 0000265667. This content is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute personalized investment advice or solicitation or a recommendation to buy or sell any security or financial product. Investments in securities markets are subject to market risk. Please read all scheme-related documents carefully before investing. Past performance of any instrument or index mentioned is not indicative of future returns. The research analyst and/or associates may or may not hold positions in securities discussed. Please consult a SEBI registered investment advisor before making any financial decision.